Understanding Feeling Foggy, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, feeling foggy. This phrase is a great example of how English uses vivid imagery to express complex emotions and states of mind. Let's dive in and clear up any confusion. Feeling foggy is an idiomatic expression used to describe a state where someone's mind isn't as sharp or clear as usual. Imagine a morning when fog covers everything, making it hard to see clearly. Similarly, when someone says they're feeling foggy, they mean their thoughts are not clear, and they might be having trouble concentrating or remembering things. It's often associated with feeling confused, disoriented, or mentally sluggish. This phrase is commonly used in casual conversations. It's important to know that feeling foggy is not a formal medical term, but rather a colloquial way to describe a temporary mental state. You might hear someone say, "I didn't sleep well last night, and I've been feeling foggy all day." Or, "After that long meeting, my brain is feeling a bit foggy." To help you understand better, let's look at a few examples. Example 1. I've had so much work lately, my mind is feeling really foggy. Example 2. Sorry, I'm feeling a bit foggy today. Could you explain that again? Example 3. A good night's sleep usually helps when you're feeling foggy. English has several other expressions that convey similar feelings. For instance, "out of it," "not with it," or "my mind is a blur," are phrases that also describe a lack of mental clarity or focus. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, feeling foggy. Remember, English is full of colorful expressions like this, and understanding them can really enrich your language skills. We hope this video has been helpful and that your learning journey is anything but foggy. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.